As with most of my Halloween looks, I've already gone ahead and glued down and covered my eyebrows, and so now I'm going in with a white water activated face paint and applying this all over my face, neck, ears and chest. For some reason my camera didn't record this bit, but I did use a clean dry sponge to press the paint into the skin. This is also going to help avoid brush streaks. But now, with some matte black eyeshadow on an angled brush, I'm drawing some fairly dramatic looking eyebrows slightly above where my natural brows are. With some matte hot pink eyeshadow on a fluffy brush, I'm applying this in an extremely messy and blown out fashion. The messier, the better for this look. Now I'm just adding some depth to my crease with a matte purple shadow, and I'm making sure to really blow out that shadow. With a matte black shadow on a flat brush, I'm patting this all over my eyelid and also smudging it into my lower lash line quite heavily. This is why I wanted to have that purple underneath, so that it would show through and blend nicely with a black shadow. Then I'm taking that same matte black on a small blending brush and just blending it through my crease just to help bring everything together. Then I move into line my waterline with this well-worn black eye crayon. Now I'm just applying black mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Now I'm taking some black eyeshadow on a powder brush and using this to contour my face. Since my face is white, I want to add a bit of shape and dimension back into my face, even though we're drawing inspiration from a character who is dead. I'm starting with a light hand and building the intensity until I'm happy with the way it looks. Now I'm going in with a lime green face paint on a medium-sized brush and dabbing it around one side of my forehead and temples in a large patch. This is going to replicate the grimy, mossy bits that are on his face. I'm also making sure to add some of this paint coming from the corners of my mouth on the opposite side to where it is on my forehead. Then I'm using a matte olive green eyeshadow to add some dimension to the mossy sections. Then I'm going in with a matte black shadow, and this will not only add even more depth to the mossy sections, but this will also help to dirty up this look and make it look more grungy and less polished. I'm now taking this hot pink lip liner to line and fill in my lips, since this is the closest colour I have to the lipstick that I'm planning on using. I've chosen to use NYX's Liquid Suede in the shade Amethyst, since this isn't a lip colour that I get to wear too often, and I think it really goes well with this look. I then tied my hair back in a low bun at the nape of my neck and then struggled for longer than I cared to admit to put on this long green wig.